All right, so this is gonna be a recap on a trade that I took. A trade that I took on January 24th, where I made $158 on, and I think about 40%. Yeah, 40% gain on that trade. So, another thing involved in that trade, I played extremely light sizing, one contract. So, if I played my normal size, I could have made at least like 500, $600 if I played normal size in that trade. So, something to put out there. All right, so why did I take this trade? So, first things first, had all my levels drawn on the chart. I was on the 5-minute chart, had all my levels drawn. Then, no market opened 6:30, didn't really take any trade, just watched. So here's where I started getting interested. I saw we run up. At this time, this was an all-time high, so I did not have a supply and drawn there. But I saw that we rejected, and when we fell there, I made a note of it and drew a supply zone there to make sure that I know that there is supply that comes at that area. But then what happens? We drop, we retest the open, and we rise back up, and we retest that zone now. So I had no plan on taking any trade until I saw this selling volume pick up around 10 a.m. with these selling candles is where I saw this is a real zone where there actually are sellers. And this is where I entered puts, or one contract, let's say, of QQQ puts. So what I did end up entering right there was QQQ February 2nd, 428 puts, one contract of that. And basically what I waited, and I was pretty sure that this was going to reverse down, just waited. My stop loss would have been a 5-minute candle close above this level. So basically a close around 430 would have been my stop loss. So then I just waited, end up riding this all the way down through these levels to low of day. And I ended up closing this thing, I think about 5 minutes before the close at this selling right here for $158 profit and 40%. And another thing to note, this trade I was taking was all when I was at school. So I entered this trade, I think, before English class, and I ended up closing it out when I got home. Because I got out early that day, so I was able to come home and close the trade out before the market closed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to drop it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more recaps here and posting a lot more, be more active on this channel from now on. But yeah, that's all.